In this video, we'll dive into how to use SuiteDash's time tracking features for project management. If you're looking to streamline your workflow, stay on top of deadlines, and keep track of billable hours, SuiteDash offers a variety of tools that could help. But is it the best fit for your business? Stick around to find out. First up, let's talk about how SuiteDash allows you to track time directly within projects. The time tracking feature is simple but powerful. You can start a timer right from the project dashboard, allowing you to log time while you're working. This is ideal for anyone working on multiple tasks, as you can break it down into different activities, ensuring every minute is accounted for. One of the main benefits here is its real-time tracking, so there's no guesswork at the end of the day. Next thing, SuiteDash also enables manual time entries if you forget to start the timer or need to log time after the fact. This feature gives you flexibility when working with tight schedules. You can go into the Time Tracking tab, add your hours, and categorize them by task or project. This allows you to keep a clean, accurate log of your work. It's a pretty straightforward process, but some users have pointed out that manual time logging can be a little clunky compared to more specialized tools. The fourth thing SuiteDash does is integrate time tracking with billing. This is particularly useful for freelancers or agencies who need to invoice clients based on the hours worked. Once you've tracked your time, you can generate invoices directly from those hours, making it easy to bill clients without having to export data or use a separate invoicing tool. However, this integration isn't always seamless for everyone. Some users find that the invoicing options feel a bit rigid and don't allow for enough customization, especially if you're working with clients on unique agreements. Another key point to mention is the reporting feature. SuiteDash provides detailed reports that break down your track time, helping you analyze productivity and project timelines. You can generate reports based on specific timeframes, team members, or projects. While the reports are helpful, some users have pointed out that the interface for generating them isn't the most intuitive, which can make it harder to pull the exact data you need quickly. Now, here's where things get interesting. While SuiteDash is great for time tracking and project management in general, there are other platforms that excel in this area with additional features and a more intuitive experience. These alternatives not only offer time tracking, but also provide advanced reporting, team collaboration tools, and integrations with a variety of third-party apps. They also often offer a more user-friendly design, especially for those who want a more visual experience in managing their projects and time. Before we wrap up, here's something I promised at the beginning. If you're interested in SuiteDash, we've got an exclusive extended free trial available through the link in the description. But I've also included links to some other tools that might be a better fit for your project management needs. These alternatives offer more comprehensive features for time tracking and team collaboration and also come with free trials. So, take a moment to check those out. With our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, so don't miss out on this opportunity.